So I've got some new plug plants. These are from Naturescape, and unlike them what came in nice little boxes and stuff like that, it's come like this. These are dog violets, birdfoot trefoil and hedge cranesbill. Unfortunately my white nettles didn't come, which was a bit disappointing, and I think they're going to cancel. What's going to happen? So it looks like this. I'm just putting them in here. I've already done a few. So yeah, so it's not ideal. Prefer them ones from Southern Horticultural. Naturescape's a bit of crap, to be honest with you, but let's see what happens. So these are dog violets, and I've put a couple in there, just with the honeysuckles. I put a few around here next to the magnolia, and I've put a couple around here and somewhere over here and that. So that's the common dog violets. These are the geraniums, cranesbill, hedge. So you notice how one's missing. That was supposed to be white dead nettle, but I think the order's going to get cancelled on that. I have a funny feeling, so I've done another order for some more geraniums, but this one is like really awesome. And now, and the rest of my geraniums, I'll put one in there, couple in there, one in there. And now these are the bird's foot trefoil or whatever it's called. Right, and this is where I put the bird's foot trefoil. Just very little all the way along here. Just there, I'm leaving weeds and that at the moment. And I put the other two in here. Probably put that a bit too close, to be honest with you. I'm going to move that in a minute. So, I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm missing 2. I don't know what I did with the other 2. Oh, one's in there, and I don't know where the other one is. So that's me. I'm trying here one, getting the garden nice and special.